Let's get it, y'all. Let's go. Welcome back, Chuck's Daily Hustle. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share, man. And you got to. You have to. You must. Follow me on all the social media platforms, man. The links are in the description below. And then go ahead and smash that notification bell. That way you can stay up to date with what I have going on, man. So, it is a new day, of course, y'all. So, good morning. I hope y'all have a blessed, positive day. And y'all make lots and lots of blue faces, man. But I'm tuning in right now because guess what? We did not sell the Chevy Suburban, y'all. So, the Suburban's not sold. Reason why? Guess what? We got a bad used starter, man. So it started up the day before or whatever. When he tested it, the mechanic tested it and everything to make sure that it was actually good. So you obviously you're gonna let it sit, especially with it being cold. So you let it sit for like 8 hours. Not 8 hours, my bad, y'all, like 4 hours, and then start it up again. It was cool. But today, right when the customer was coming out to buy the car, man, I said, hey, can you let that car warm up? Because we are in Minnesota, if y'all don't see. It's snow on the ground and it's very cold. So I said, let it warm up for him. He hits me back. He goes, yeah, man, bad news. I think the starter's bad that we got. Car won't start. So he tapped on it, started back up. And that's that, man. So luckily, man, I got a cool potential customer and he was referred by his brother. So they bought a lot of cars from us. So luckily, you know, we're actually good there. So anyways, man, he's on his way out there now. He's gonna drive the car just to see if he likes it. That way my mechanic knows to put a rush on it or not, and then we're gonna get it sold. So, man, it's crazy, man. I keep telling y'all, man, these cars are just nuts, man. You're dealing with used cars, you're dealing with used parts, and then you come up with issues, man. You know what I'm saying? Somebody might get on here and say, well, why didn't you just buy a new part? Well, because the new part's like $180. The used one's $40, and for the most part, 9 times out of 10, you're gonna get a good used part anyway. So obviously, I need to be able to make some type of money, and as y'all know, I get real good deals, and I fix them up the best way I can. So unfortunately, you guys have just learned another lesson from me, but fortunately, you did, man. So when you are buying these used parts, just know that you are running a risk of having the same issue or something worse with buying these used parts. So there's a lot of parts that I do not buy that are used. For instance, I'm not going to buy a used control arm. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to buy anything that's used for like I don't know, something. You get what I'm saying, man. So if I'm gonna buy something used, y'all, it's gonna be a blower motor. It's gonna be a used strut or something. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not gonna buy anything that's like real important on the vehicle. That is I don't even know how to even word that. Once I figure that out, once my brain starts working, once I wrap myself around it, then I'll let y'all know. But anyways, man, I'm on my way right now, y'all. I'm getting ready to go drop these work jackets off to the DMV, and then I'm going to get my haircut, man. So it is New Year's Eve, y'all, and I'm gonna bring in the New Year right, man. So I'm gonna get me a haircut, and then tonight I'm actually, hopefully, if I remember, if I stay up, man, because I'm trying to go to sleep a little early. I'm gonna give y'all like a New Year's message and then share my New Year's resolution with y'all tonight. And then y'all gonna get that obviously before y'all get this video. So anyways, man, enough of me talking. Let's get on this road. Let's get to where we gotta go.
Jeez. Taking over, taking off. I'm spazzing like it got the spaz. Woo, woo, woo. I'm up. We up. I'm up.
You see me, man. Your boy's happy. I got that young haircut, man, so I'm feeling real good. So anyways, man, I am on my way right now to get a battery for this Saturn Vue that I got. Not the 04, whatever year that is. I got a 07 that I need to get ready and put it on the actual chopping block. So I am on my way to go get that battery, and then I got to pick up the blower motor. Guess what, y'all? The Honda Accord that you guys haven't been seeing, that's been a pain in my is now ready, man. Actually, let me break that down to y'all, man. So we ended up getting the radio with the navigation and everything sent from Rockford, Illinois or whatever. I forgot exactly what city. And I paid $300 for this radio, y'all. $300 for this radio not to work. So hand in hand with people not doing what they're supposed to do when they were supposed to do it, and communicating with me, I basically missed the opportunity to return this radio back and get my $300 back. So I am $300 down. So what did I do? I went and bought me an aftermarket radio from Amazon for like $200, and I'm gonna show y'all that when I get to the car, and that fixed the problem. But the reason why the blower motor wasn't working, obviously we had to do some like trial and error and figure out exactly what was going on. So we had to get the radio working first to actually control the blower motor. Come to find out, we need a blower motor. So radio and a blower motor. So now that's $550 in parts. I gotta go pick up that blower motor and drop that there. So I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like. I don't think, he said it wasn't any power to the car right now. So y'all gonna see the actual Android aftermarket radio, which is actually pretty dope. Up close and personal, and then y'all can tell me what y'all think. Now, I'm talking about this Honda Accord, y'all. It's got so much stuff done to it, it's crazy, man. Like, it's got the water pump and the timing belt done now too, so that's gonna be a big like selling point. And then with it having this huge display, I think it's gonna sell pretty quick. But we're gonna see, man. I will see y'all in a second. All right, y'all, we are secure. So I got the blower motor and I got the battery, man. So here's the young blower motor. That thing is actually huge. That's like 50 bucks, y'all. So this is a used part. I guarantee you that thing, that being new, bro, that's like probably like 150, something like that. But yeah, that's why I get used parts. So blower motor, used. Battery, reconditioned. If you don't know what that is, Google it. So I got a reconditioned battery, and I paid, what, $40 for it? No, my bad, $50 for it. And if you get a brand new battery, guess how much that costs? $100. So when you're dealing with the used cars, just find something that's in between brand new and used, you know what I'm saying? Or used in general, if you can skate by. I never buy, I didn't get the battery from here though, y'all. I never buy my batteries from Abco, because they don't have recon batteries. They just have batteries that they take out of the cars. Some junkyards, they'll actually like recondition it. I don't know exactly how they go in and actually recon it, but they do a little bit more, and they make sure that they are good batteries, and then they put an actual, like a pretty long warranty on it. So you can't go wrong with them, man. But so anyways, enough with that, man. We still got to keep on moving and grooving. Dude almost just hit me. But yeah, so I'm finna drop this parts off, man, and then I'm about to go do something else, and you guys are gonna come with me. So let's get it. All right, y'all, I told y'all was gonna rock with me and go wherever I went, man. So we are at the house, and guess what I decided to do, because the snow's outside and there's nothing else to do. I decided to cook, so let me show you what I cooked. Nothing too spectacular, y'all, but I did make me some tilapia, y'all. I don't know if you can see that mountain of food. I hope that looked good to y'all. It's not the most expensive fish, but it is the cheapest. And then you can see this. All that seasoning right there, you know, hit them with that olive oil, you know what I'm saying? Extra virgin from Walmart, great value if you didn't know. And then, excuse the dishes, just a couple of them though, y'all. So, also I just smashed a salad. That's water, y'all, so don't think that I just been putting a whole bunch of stuff on my stuff. But that's water. And then I got me a little garden salad, y'all. It's cost me $1.50, and we are straight. And no, y'all, this is not a cooking channel now, y'all. We're gonna stick to the daily hustle. But I decided I want to welcome y'all into the house, man. Plus, I didn't have nothing else to film, so I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I decided I'm just gonna add it up in here, and we're gonna end the video before I forget, because y'all know I consistently forget to end these videos. So I just wanted to do that, man. And again, man, Happy New Year's to everybody, and I appreciate y'all like I always say, man. And thanks for the positive feedback, support, and all the good vibes, man. But until the next time, I'm out. Peace. Well, y'all, I thought the video was over, but as you can see, I'm in a car, y'all. So New Year's Eve, y'all, I am at an impound lot. I'm using my hand because I wasn't even gonna film this, but my car got towed. My 07 Chevy Impala got towed, y'all. And I'm gonna tell you guys about it on the next vlog, which is gonna be tomorrow, because I'm very, very upset. I got bamboozled by this tow company, but I'm gonna holler at y'all tomorrow.